Conversation. Talking about family using my, his, her. Situation. Lisa and Tom are classmates. Today, they are sitting in the school cafeteria talking about their families. As they share information, they use my, his, and her to describe family members.
Hey Tom, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger brother and one older sister. My brother is 10 years old and my sister is 18. What about you?
I have one older brother. My brother is 20 years old and he's studying at university.
That's cool. What is his name?
His name is Alex. He's studying engineering. He loves fixing machines.
That's interesting. My sister, Emily, also likes fixing things. She is studying computer science. She enjoys working with computers.
That's great. And what about your brother? What does he like to do?
My brother, Jake, loves playing soccer. He plays in a school team. His dream is to be a professional soccer player one day.
Wow, that's amazing. My brother also likes sports, but he prefers basketball. He plays every weekend with his friends.
That's cool. By the way, do you live with your grandparents too?
No, but I visit them often. My grandmother makes the best homemade cookies. I love visiting her.
That sounds wonderful. I live with my grandparents because my parents work in another city. My grandmother loves gardening, and my grandfather likes reading books.
That's nice. What kind of books does he read?
His favorite books are history books. He loves learning about the past.
That's interesting. My mom also likes history. Her favorite topic is ancient civilizations.
Oh, what does your mom do?
My mom is a teacher. Her students really like her because she makes learning fun.
That's great. My mom is a doctor. Her job is very busy, but she loves helping people.
That's wonderful. What about your dad? What does he do?
My dad is an architect. His job is to design buildings. He shows me his drawings sometimes. They look amazing.
That's so cool. My dad is a chef. His food is delicious. He makes the best pizza.
Wow, that must be nice. I love pizza. Maybe one day I can try his cooking.
Of course. You should come over for dinner sometime.
That sounds like a great idea.
Grammar focus. Using my, his, and her. 1. My. Possessive adjective for first person. We use my to talk about things or people that belong to us. Example. My brother is a student. 2. His. Possessive adjective for males. We use his when talking about something that belongs to a male, he. Example. His favorite sport is soccer. 3. Her. Possessive adjective for females. We use her when talking about something that belongs to a female, she. Example. Her mother is a teacher.